Hey y'all, I am in Buchs, Switzerland, spending a couple nights here, and just on the other side of those hills behind me is Liechtenstein. So I will be heading there in the morning for National Day, and it's a big celebration. The whole country gets together in Vaduz, so that's about 8 kilometers away. Just worked out that my hotel was on the Swiss border, so really looking forward to that, and really enjoying my time here in beautiful Buchs. It is a stunning view, just a cute little town right in the middle of the mountain. Happy National Day from Liechtenstein. Just in Vaduz, Liechtenstein. So this is country number 42, and I'm here for National Day, and so excited to check it out. It's already got a fun vibe to it. It's a busy, beautiful day, a lot of people out. And I was just told the castle, which you can see directly up at the top of that hill, was a 2-minute walk. So I'm hoping there's a rail car, because that might be an all-day hike. But that's the Prince's Castle way up at the top there, which I am going to for his speech and party at the castle. Let's go check it out. Here's a great lookout point of Vaduz behind me, and yeah, almost up at the castle. I chose to walk up this walking path or hiking path, and it's pretty well straight uphill, as why wouldn't you build a castle on top of a hill? And as I'm about 2/3 up, struggling, I see these tour buses going by. Beautiful marching band coming down the hill.
Rätin Graziella Maroc-Wasser, Regierungsrätin Dominik Hasler und Regierungsrat Manuel Fest. Regierungsrat Stellvertreterin Jolanda Lamper sowie Regierungsrat Stellvertreter Ralf Wanger. Am Schluss des Festzuges trifft die fürstliche Familie ein. Es sind dies seine Durchlaucht Fürst Hans Adam II., seine Durchlaucht Erbprinz Alois und ihre königliche Hoheit Erbprinzessin Sophie in Begleitung ihrer Kinder, sowie seine Durchlaucht Prinz Philipp.
Und der extrem ausgetrocknete Arbeitsmarkt. Trotz dieser Krisen leben wir hier in einer privilegierten Stellung. Die Inflation ist im Schweizer Frankenraum noch relativ niedrig.
That was kind of cool. I know the English version, don't know the Liechtenstein version. So the speech is just finished up on National Day, and there's probably a couple thousand people here, and now they're gonna go have a party in the castle. So let's go check that out. And it is a beautiful day out. But look at this beautiful castle. Here's a good vantage point of just how high up the castle is on top of Vaduz, Liechtenstein. So that's the celebration behind me. They're just finishing up, and I'm gonna start a party, a second one, and that's the castle there. So this year is a little bit different. Previous years they would have a big party in the Rose Garden. That's where the crane is behind me, and there's free food and drinks for everybody. Big celebration with the prince and the royal family. But this year that part is going to be taken out just because it's under construction. So there's a little bit of confusion after talking to some people, but they just said go into town, and that's where the party's going to be. So we are on our way to town. There's the prince there. Hi, Prince. Well, got a couple feet away from him, but that's the prince there in the blue shirt. Prince of Liechtenstein. Going down's always easier, and you can see a lot of people just leaving as well. Like I said, previously it was a big party up top after the speeches and such, but this year they changed it due to construction, and the last couple of years with COVID they didn't have it, so I thought this year would be a big celebration, but apparently things got changed, so due to construction. But here we go, we're gonna go into Vaduz and have some fun. Incredible art all throughout Liechtenstein, and one of the pluses of National Day is every museum is free, so you can wander in, check it out. Basically once a year nice treat. Okay, so in Liechtenstein with Sylvia, and she is going to stamp my passport with the official Liechtenstein stamp. Boom! There we go. So that is official country number 42. It's a little technical, I had to pay for it. I'm in a information center here, but not your normal stamp, but still very cool to be able to say I got that. Country number 42, and very happy to be here on National Day, so that's a cool experience. So like most celebrations around the world, it is all about the food and good times with family and friends, and it's every single type of food you can imagine under the sun here. I'm amazed at all the different ethnicities I'm seeing and different types of food, and yeah, people are eating it up. So there's some currywurst. Crepes is a big one. There's quite a bit of Thai food here as well. Raclette, that's a popular Swiss pasta dish with meat. It's pasta and meat. It's really nice. And lots of ice cream and gelato. Gelato for everybody. Love a good historical building. Again, just beautiful architecture here. And it's even better when it turns into a rock stage. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hoi maintenant from Liechtenstein. Thank you. These are almonds being roasted with beautiful caramel. And people are lining up for them. They smell delicious. I'm not a huge car guy, but I was quickly reminded of what my newest favorite car is, and this is the Jaguar F-Type. Just stunning model. It's very, very sleek, and I've always been a Jaguar fan. This is PF450 all-wheel drive. That looks really sharp. Happy National Day from Liechtenstein. So one of the best stats I heard about National Day is they get about 45,000 or 50,000 people in Vaduz, and the population is only about 40,000 total. So almost everybody comes out, and it is incredible to see. So you got families, young people, you got old, seniors, everybody is out and about, eating and drinking and having a great time. It is a lot of fun. So perfect day for it. The weather is 20-25 degrees Celsius and not too hot at all, and yeah, it's just beautiful. So I gotta eat again. It's been a couple hours, so time to check it out. Let's get something. I think I'm after something like that. Oh, the food is incredible here. I work hard in these situations, y'all, to show you what people do when they are panicked and in the rain. Okay, that is that gorgeous castle where we all started the day, and now it is pissing rain and limited tent space, so many people are fleeing, calling it a night, and others are just looking for a spot to stop for a bite to eat, and others. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hi from Liechtenstein. So here's a perfect shot of the castle up on the hill in the rain when nobody's allowed to be up there because of construction, and everybody's just down here having a time. That's a good shot. All right, so I'm in Liechtenstein getting another tattoo, and this is Silverback Tattoo is the name of this shop. If you guys are ever in Vaduz, come on, check it out. And this young lady's actually from Czech Republic, so she is filling in and doing a hell of a job for me, and I'm just gonna try not to cry as she works on it live here. So.
Also, should I start over?
Oh yeah, you can go. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Oh, you're not gonna cry.
No,
should
no.
I start like pushing it?
Yeah. Now I'll really start crying. Yeah.
No. I know I'm nervous.
Oh, don't be. I just got the video evidence forever.
Oh, yeah, okay. That's good. If somebody told you I had everything.
Yeah.
No, I'm horrible. I should stop listening to these things.
Alright, well, yeah.
I'm paranoid, really. Every time I go, I'm like, did they kill me? I have files at home.
True cries, yeah.
I mean, it's everywhere.
I hear a lot of people like that.
Yeah, it's relaxing in a way, but I don't know. It's still not that relaxing. You get really fucked up from it.
You gotta watch something more positive, like Travel with Carter.
Oh, yeah. Don't worry.
That's why I show.
No, for sure I will, because I'm a star.
You're a new celebrity, for sure.
Do you think I can go outside without paparazzi tonight?
Well, maybe.
Yeah,
not.
here, for sure.
There it is. Looking good. Wow. Cool. Just enjoying the last of my time here in Liechtenstein. This is Balzers, and absolutely stunning view on both sides of the street. That's one side, and then we spin around to the other, and I got this incredible castle way up in the mountaintop there, and just beautiful mountains surrounding the city here. So just a beautiful, I think I've said beautiful 4 times here. Breathtaking is a better way to put it. Breathtaking country. Really glad I got to be here for it, and really glad I got to be here for National Day. So this was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you did, please hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you soon on the next episode.